Yes. Okay. Dear students, you all know that in the last class we were discussing the chapter polynomials, right? And we had completed the exercise number 2.2. Now in today's class we are moving to the new concept. This is also very important. 100% one question will be there on the concept what I'm going to cover today. And just before going to that, let me clarify your doubts regarding yesterday's worksheet, because in yesterday's worksheet some students they had requested me to solve few problems which I had given in worksheets. And even yesterday as we conducted the performance test a bit late, but in spite of that the student did not stop submitting their worksheet. Even by 11:15 also some students they submitted, like Amulya CK and other students. Really I appreciate the students who have submitted their worksheets in spite of that schedule. Okay. And in yesterday's test some students even they had got very good marks. Prashant sir, you may unmute everybody.
Yes, yes.
Sir, please explain the fifth one, sir.
Definitely I'll do that. Nothing to worry. Just listen to me.
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir.
Yes, sir.
Listen, children, the meeting has locked. Okay. So please be stay, because if you leave the meeting once again, you can't possible to join again. Please stay here. Thank you, sir. You may continue.
Shall I continue, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Amulya CK just she joined, sir.
Dear students, in yesterday's test, some of you got good marks also. And anybody who has got 25 marks, please come on the line and tell your name. Even I too have the list also.
Sir, Kirtan Raj
Yes,
Jakanu.
he is Kirtan Raj Jaknoor. He has got full marks, 25 out of 25. And I had given one grace marks for all the students. Hope that you might have noticed that. One, I think question number 5 answer. One grace marks was given in yesterday's test. And one question, it was mistyped. That is actually, we had asked the general form of quadratic polynomial, but it was by mistake quadratic. So those who had attempted that one, I have given marks for that also. Kirtan Raj had scored 25 out of 25. Any other student? Any other? Yeah. Dear students, from your place only, please clap him for about 3 times. Just clap him for encouraging, for getting full marks. Please clap 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Ananya said, I'm not at all hearing the sound. Okay. Thank you very much. Okay, very good. Very good sound. Any other student who has secured 24 marks? 24.
Manya A.
Manya A. Very good. Very good. She has got 24. So let us encourage her with your not big claps, just 3 times claps. Yes, big claps her to encourage her. Manya, very good. Yes. Then any student who has secured 23.
Sir,
Please come on the
Prerana.
line and tell your name.
Prerana.
Yes.
Prerana.
Prerana K. Kadasaplar. Prerana K. Kadasaplar. She has secured 23 marks. So, pardon me? Yeah, please encourage her with your claps 3 times. Again, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Thank you very much. In every test, I'll go for taking the first 3 toppers. And those who have secured less marks, so please don't neglect your studies. do practice as good as possible and come to the same line. Your minimum percentage should be 90%. The students who are able to get the 90, 91 like that, even they are capable of getting full marks also. So that it should be your minimum percentage. Okay, dear students, as I said, now I'm going to solve few problems what I had given you in yesterday's class. Just to yes, listen. If you have already learned, if you have already done, it's okay. If not, just observe. I'm going to give you the hint only. See, the very first question is like this: if x equal to 3 is the zero of the polynomial, p of x is equal to k square x square minus kx minus 2. Then find the value of k. X is equal to 3. This is the 0. Dear students, you all know that if the given number is the 0 of the given polynomial, then what will be the value of the polynomial?
0.
Value of the polynomial will be
0.
0. Right? So first, you'll go for finding the value by substituting 3 in place of x. So 3, it is k square into 3 whole square minus k into 3 minus 2. This is equal to, here 3 square is 9 into k square as it is minus 3 into k, it is 3k, then minus 2. So P of 3 is equal to this much. And we know that from the, according to given statement, 3 is the 0 of the given polynomial. Hence, P of 3 is equal to 0. Where P of 3, we have found out that it is 9k square minus 3k minus 2 is equal to 0. Here we have a quadratic polynomial. Now, this quadratic polynomial, which is on the left hand side, it should be factorized by splitting the middle term, which you have learned in 8th standard as well. Even in the beginning of this chapter, I had given you the information. Here we will go for multiplying first and last constants. Here 9 and here is minus 2. 9 into minus 2, this is minus 18. And the middle term is, this is minus 3. We have to select the factors of 18 such that when you simplify, you should get minus 3. The factors are, one is 6 and another one is 3. Observe, 6 3s are 18 and 6 plus 3 9. We want minus 3. Hence I take
Minus 6.
Minus 6.
Now I can write minus 3 as minus 6 plus 3. Here I'll write minus 6k plus 3k. Then minus 2 as it is. It's equal to 0. Group them by taking two terms. In the first two terms, 3k is common factor. See that 3 is the highest common factor of 9 and 6. And even k is of a common factor of k square and k. Now 3 into 3 is 9, k into k is k square minus 3k. How much is 6k?
2.
Please, 2. Then plus Sanjana SL. Do one thing while attending the next class, you have to get ready. After that only, you can sit over there. It's not fine. 3k minus 2. Here is no common factor, but you can write 1 as the common factor. Then it will be 3k minus 2. This is equal to 0. In the whole statement, 3k minus 2 is common factor. Remaining, it is 3k plus 1 equal to 0. Now we can write 3k minus 2 is equal to 0 and equate 3k plus 1 to the 0. 3k plus 1 is equal to 0. Then 3k it is equal to transfer minus 2 to the right hand side. It becomes plus 2. Then k is equal to 2y. This is one value. Even it has another value. That value can be found out by using the statement. 3k plus 1 equal to 0. 3k is equal to transfer 1 to the right hand side. It becomes minus 1. Then k is equal to minus 1 by 3. So these are the values of k. Followed? Okay. Now, another one, it is fourth one. Fourth one. Anybody who has done it? Fourth one, please tell your name. Here, for fourth one, I have included the whatever the concept you have learned in this academic year and the concept which you have learned in your previous class. That is in 8th standard. I have clubbed both. In 8th standard, you have learned about you had learned about linear pairs. Do you remember? NP Dana?
Yes, sir.
Linear pair of angles. Here, A and B. Hope that you might have remembered this one.
Sum
The
of 2 is 180.
should be 180 degree.
Yes, sir.
Oh, yeah. Based on that concept only, I had given. Fourth one, anybody who has done, please tell your name. If not, just I am going to give you the same in your notebook. You have done, we have completed exercise number 2.2, right? There, soon after that only, you just go for writing additional problem. Just I'll give you 2 problems, then we'll move on to today's concept. Right. Right. Additionals. Additionals in that first one. Copy quick as possible. To say, if x equal to 1 and x equal to 2 are the zeros of the polynomial, that is p of x is equal to x cube minus 6x square plus mx minus n, then find the values of m and n. Then find the values of m and n. This is the given statement. Using this statement, we have to find out the values of m and n. It is just like previous one only. Yes. Let me go for taking one by one. Write with me and observe. They have given that the polynomial p of x, write with me, it is x cube minus 6x square plus mx minus n. This is the given polynomial. Here they have given the 0, it is 1, and another 0, 2. Let us go for taking one by one. They only have given 1 and 2 are the zeros. I'll go for taking one by one. First, when x is 1, right, p of 1 is equal to, substitute 1 in place of x, 1 whole cube minus 6 into 1 to the power plus m into 1 minus n. This is equal to, here 1 cube is 1 minus 1 square is 1, 1 6 are 6. Don't be lagging. Whatever I am writing, you should also write the same. Plus m into 1, m only, minus n. This is equal to 1 minus 6 is minus 5 plus m minus n. Yes, students, can I write 0 in place of P of 1?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Why do you say that we can write 0 in place of P of 1?
Sir, because B of 1
Because
is 0.
Because it is
the
0.
value of P of 1 is
Value of
the
P into
polynomial.
0.
Because 1 is the 0 of the given polynomial, hence P of 1 is equal to 0. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ I go for writing like this. According to given statement, P of 1 equal to 0. Now, I'll write the P of 1 value. P of 1 is minus 5, please write with me, plus m minus n. This is equal to 0. Now, transfer minus 5 to the right hand side. M minus n is equal to plus 1. You may call it as equation 1. Call this equation as 1. Next. Your students, you also know that x equal to 2 is another 0. Is it not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Is it not? You should say yes.
Yes, sir.
Say right.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Madan, have you got? Okay. X equal to 2 is another 0. So let us go for finding P of 2. Right. P of 2, this is equal to, substitute 2 in place of x. Then it will be 2 whole cube minus 6 into 2 whole square plus m into 2 minus n. This is equal to. Yes, I'm okay. What is 2 cube?
8.
Very good. It is 8 minus, here 2 square is 4. 4 6 are
24.
20. Plus m into 2, this is 2m, then minus
P of
n.
2 of L is minus
This is
16
equal
plus
to-
2m.
Here 8 minus 24 is minus
Minus 16.
Plus
2m
2m minus n.
minus n. This is the value of P of 2. Dear students, we know that x equal to 2 is the 0 of the polynomial. Therefore, P of 2 is equal to 0. Where P of 2 is minus 16 plus 2m minus n, which is equal to 0. Then, let me transfer minus 16 to the right hand side. Right. It is 2m minus n. This is equal to plus 16. Call it as equation 2.
Okay.
Listen. Listen. Just I'm making you to recall last year concept regarding
Sir, 16. 16 plus 5.
2 that side,
Plus
sir.
5.
In the right left hand side, sir.
left hand side.
2 is there, no, sir. We can transfer that side to right hand side, sir.
No. How do you transfer?
Sir, we can take common seat
Product of 2 and m. You must 2 ನಲ್ಲಿ ರೈಟ್ ಇಟ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ನಿಮಗೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ರಿಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. There it was a plus b is equal to 180 degree and a minus b is equal to 40 degree ಅಂತ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
Sir, we can take common
Using these
seat
two equations, you had found out the values of a and b. ಹಿಂಗೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ here plus b ಇದೆ, here minus b. both get cancelled. A plus A, 2A. 180 plus 40, it is 220. Then A is equal to 2 ones are 1s are 0s. 110 aಗುತ್ತೆ. The sum of two angles is 180. If one angle is 110, what is the another angle?
70.
70 aಗುತ್ತೆ. Very, very simple. You will substitute 110 in place of A. See that 110 plus B equal to 180. B equal to 180 minus 110. It is 70. This is the concept you have learned in 8th standard. Illi kuda adunne follow ಮಾಡಿ. Just observe and you can also write with me. I'll take the first equation. Right. M minus N equal to 5. Let me take the second equation. This is 2M minus N is equal to 60. Now observe. Here 1M is there and 2M is there. Is it possible to cancel?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Not possible.
No, sir.
Observe. Minus 1N minus 1N. Is it possible to cancel?
No, sir. No, sir.
Also
No, sir.
not possible. ಈಗ ನಮಗೆ -1 ಇದ್ರೆ cancel ಮಾಡಕ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ. But if -1 plus 1 is there, then we can cancel it. That is why what I'll do is I'm going to subtract the second equation from first equation. Yatin and Ashwan, following?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You subtract ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. I'm subtracting second equation in first equation. So that is why these side get changed. Plus 2M becomes minus 2M minus N becomes
Becomes plus
Plus.
N.
N and plus 16 becomes
Minus 16.
Now, when you are solving, you should consider only this side. You know, minus N, then plus N.
Plus N. Cancels.
Cancel. Got
Yes,
it?
sir.
Next. 1M minus 2M.
Minus M.
1M minus 2M.
Minus 1M.
Minus M.
Minus M. M.
Minus-
Minus M.
5 minus 16.
Minus 11.
Minus 11.
Minus 11.
So, what is the value of M?
Minus 11. 11.
Plus 11. Minus minus get cancelled.
Yes, sir.
Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, we got the M value. Next, we want N value. To get N value, you have to substitute M equal to 11 in any one of the two equations. Now, the other third, either first one or second. Anyone can take it. All right.
Add, sir.
Substitute M equal to 11 in equation 1. Equation 1 is M minus N equal to 5, where M is 11 minus N equal to 5. Next, minus N equal to 5, transfer 11 to the right hand side. It is minus 11.
Sir.
Minus N equal to, what is 5 minus 11?
Minus 6.
Minus 6.
Minus 6. So N will be
Answer.
So therefore, M is 11 and N is 6. Have you copied?
Sir, explain
Bye-bye.
once again this first step, sir. Sir, explain once again, sir.
Where?
Sir, that first step. No, sir, right side, sir. Right side. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Very simple. We have substituted 11 in place of M in the first equation. M is 11 minus N as it is equal to 5. Then minus N as it is. Transfer plus 11 to the right hand side becomes minus 11. 5 minus 11 minus 6. Now, here minus, minus, get cancelled. So it will be plus 6. N equal to 6. This is one of
Sir,
the
can you
right
explain
question.
that how we got M?
Hmm?
Sir, can you explain that how we got M?
I had explained, no?
The
Last
reason,
step.
if they ask reason
Okay.
particular.
Last step.
Should not go for using can. Sir, could you explain how to get the value of M? That's the correct way. Not can. Okay. It's very simple. First and second equation we have taken. We are subtracting second equation from first equation. You are subtracting second equation from first. Okay. M minus N is equal to 5. Either you are subtracting second equation. 2M minus N is equal to 16. So the sign get changed. Okay. Minus 2 and minus is minus plus N. This is minus 16. Now M minus 2M minus 1. Minus N plus N get cancelled. 5 minus 16 minus 1. So you will get M equal to 11. Clear?
Sir, if they ask what is the particular reason to subtract it.
Once you tell loudly.
Sir, to subtract it, what is the particular reason, sir?
The particular reason is if same sign are there, we cannot cancel. Is it possible to cancel 2 and 2? Is it
No,
possible?
sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Plus 2 and plus 2? Plus 2
No,
plus 2
sir.
will be
No.
4. Plus 2 minus 2 is there, we can cancel it. It will be 0. Similarly, here also. Here, same sign are there. That is why to change this sign, we have subtract. Again, I have been reminding you, it was given in the examination, board examination. Earlier, even for 9th students also, board exam was there. In that time, this type problem was given by considering it as an applied question. Just, I hope that second, next another one try I have given. You can try that yourself. It is also, like I say, there, here I have given alpha and beta. In the previous problem, we have taken M and N. That's the only difference. You can try that yourself. Okay. Now, shall we move on to the next concept?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Sir.
Next concept is very simple, known concept. It is well-known concept for you all. And knowing that, we are going to learn unknown thing. We are moving from known to unknown. Listen to me carefully. Can I explain?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then you have to stop your writing.
You can.
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes. Please stop writing. Now listen to me carefully. You're all very familiar with the division process, right? You know how to divide a number by another number. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
If so, just I'm asking one simple question to Shreya. Shreya, could you tell what are the terms that are involved in division? Only she will tell. Dhruti, could you tell what are
Reminder,
the terms that are involved in division?
reminder, quotient,
Hey,
division.
wait. Who is Dhruti? Ah, yeah. Dhruti, unmute and tell. Sanjana ji. Yes.
Reminder, quotient, dividend.
Remainder, quotient and
Dividend. Divisor. Divisor.
dividend. Dividend.
Dividend.
Divisor. So
Divisor.
these are the
Dividend,
four
divisor.
terms that are involved in any division. One is dividend, second one is divisor, third one is quotient, fourth one is
Dividend.
remainder. Don't read it as reminder.
Remind,
It's different from remainder. Observe it.
remainder.
I'm going to take one simple example. This is, you are going to divide 38 by 5. Don't write. Sai Gaurav, observe. Let us divide 38 by 5.
6.
Here.
Seven.
5.
Seven.
Sevens are-
Sevens are 35,
6.6.
3.6.
Wait. So 38. This is the number to be divided. That is why it is called
7.
Dividend.
dividend.
5 is the divisor.
This is the number.
Divisor.
Divisor.
Wait.
7.6.
Which divides 38. It is called divisor. Divisor. After dividing, you get 7.
Quotient.
Quotient.
Next, at last, you have got a residue.
Reminder.
Remainder.
Remainder. So these are the terms: dividend, divisor, quotient, and remainder. Dear students, even you are also familiar with the statement to verify the division. Wahim, could you tell how do you go for verifying the division? You know that statement that there are six
Multiply
terms of
division
calculation.
and quotient
Okay,
and add
divide
remainder.
into quotient plus remainder is equal to dividend.
Dividend.
Look at, I take divisor 5, quotient 7, 5 into 7, plus remainder plus 3. This is equal to, here 5 sevens are 35.
35.
35 plus 3.
35
Plus
plus
3 is 38.
38. Okay. Look at the word. Divisor into quotient plus remainder is dividend. Got it? This is the general information that you must know, that you must remember. Now, this is to be applied for the polynomials. These are all the numbers. We have divided a number by another number. Now, we are going to divide a polynomial by another polynomial. Then how to divide a polynomial by another polynomial? So now let me go for explaining that. Now you'll go for writing the side heading. Right. Division of polynomials. Right. The side heading. Division of polynomials. Division of polynomials. We know that even all the constants are polynomials. There are constant polynomials. Just for your reference, only to recall the concept, I have taken this example, copy the same. Right. Example. Divide 38 by 5. Full stop. Hence, find quotient and remainder. And hence find quotient and remainder. Quotient and remainder. Yes, write the same. Whatever I have written, copy the same. Hope that your writing is over. If it is over, now you write. Note, note, you go for writing a statement which is used for verify our division. That is, divisor into quotient plus remainder. Remainder, that is equal to dividend. Dividend. Over. Anvekar is over. Yes, written completely. Babel, Gagandeep. Okay, now I'm going to explain how to divide a polynomial by another polynomial. This time you should not go for writing anything, just you have to observe the board carefully and listen my explanation as well. Just we recall how to divide a number by another number. Now we are going to learn how to divide a polynomial by another polynomial. I go for taking a very simple example. That is, let us divide the polynomial. It is x plus 3x square minus 1 by 1 plus x. See, here there are two polynomials. One is x plus 3x square minus 1. This is the polynomial to be divided. Therefore, it is called dividend. This is dividend. And it should be divided by another polynomial. This is 1 plus x, which is called divisor. This is divisor and this is dividend. Observe. Here, I am going to write the divisor first. Divisor is x plus 1. I have written in standard form in the decreasing order of their powers of the variables. X plus 1. From this, we are going to divide the dividend. This is
X plus 3x
square.
square.
X plus 3x square minus 1.
Yeah, very good. Dear students, this must be remembered carefully. Whenever you go for dividing a polynomial by another polynomial, both dividend and divisor should be in standard form. So here, x plus 3x square minus 1. Is it in standard form?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No,
No.
sir.
So, standard form
3x square plus x minus 1.
Minus 1.
Wait. Whenever I ask you the question, then only your response should be there. Because if you start speaking, your face will come on the screens of all the students. They'll not be able to see this clearly. Do remember. Okay. Now, look here. We are dividing 3x square plus x minus 1 by x plus 1. Both dividend and divisor are written in standard. Afterwards, in case of division of polynomials, in every step, we will go for equalizing the first term of the divisor and the first term of the dividend. See, divisor is, first term of the divisor is x. First term of the dividend is 3x.
3x square.
do you equalize or what should be multiplied with x to get 3x square?
3x, sir.
3x.
3x should be multiplied, right?
Yes, sir.
See that 3x into x square is 3x square.
3x square.
And this can also be known by using the working column. In the working column, I am going to take the first term of the dividend. This is 3x square by the first term of the divisor. The first term of the divisor is x.
X plus 1.
X get cancelled. Remaining 3x. This 3x should be written in the quotient part. After writing in quotient part, you have to multiply this 3x with both the terms. What is 3x into x?
3x square.
3x square.
3x.
3x.
Powers can be added. 3x into x is
1 plus
3x square. Next, let us multiply 3x with
plus 3x.
1. 3x, 1 is how much?
3x.
3x.
Plus
3x
3x.
Plus 3x. Let's go for subtracting. So for subtraction, I'm just leaving one line. Here, sign get changed. The plus is there, it becomes minus.
Minus.
The plus is there,
Minus.
this one. Next, observe. Here, plus 3x square minus 3x square get cancelled. Now, here, 1x.
Minus 2x.
You consider this minus 3x. 1x minus 3x.
Minus 2x.
Minus 2x. Minus 2x.
It is minus 2x. Now, let us go for carry down. Minus
1.
Okay. Do you have any doubt regarding this step?
No,
No, sir.
If not, I'll go for next step.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Here, this is in this step. This is the first term. And here in the divisor, this x is the first term. We have to equalize. For equalizing, we have to multiply with a suitable term. To know that term, again I am using the working column. Here it is minus 2x by
X.
x.
X. X and
and
X
x
get
get
cancelled.
cancelled. We
Minus
get
2 in
minus.
quotient.
I'm going to write
Minus
minus 2 in the quotient part. Now let us multiply. Minus 2 into x.
Minus 2x.
Minus 2x. Minus 2 into 1.
Minus 2.
Minus 1.
Again, I'm going to change the sign for subtracting.
Plus 2x.
Minus sign is there, it becomes plus. Here minus is there,
Plus 2.
becomes plus.
Yes.
Now,
Cancel.
observe
Cancels.
minus 2x plus
Cancel.
2x get cancelled.
Cancel.
Wait.
1.
Minus 1
1.
plus 2.
1.
1.
There are. Now, look here. Observe the degree of the remainder and degree of the divisor. What is the degree of the
1.
divisor?
1.
1.
Degree of the remainder?
1.
1.
0. 0.
Degree of the remainder.
0.
It is a constant polynomial. What is the degree of constant polynomial?
0.
0, sir.
See, we have to continue to divide the process till we get the polynomial whose degree is less than the degree of the divisor. Only the continue ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. Shreyas MH. Hey, idiot fellow, don't go for touching the mobile. Just observe. Don't touch the mobile. Okay. Okay. Now the quotient is 3x minus 2. Here 1 is the remainder. 3x square plus x minus 1, as I told you earlier, it is the dividend. X plus 1 is the divisor. Got it? Any doubt?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
No, sir.
Last step
Further information.
Last step.
Okay. For dividend, divisor, quotient, and remainder, we represent all these polynomials with particular symbols. I'm going to give you the same. Observe it. 3x square plus x minus 1. This is the dividend. Dividend is denoted by the symbol. It is P of x. Andre alli x variable idre we will write P of x. Y idre P of y anta bareythive ashte. It is P of x. And x plus 1, we know that it is called the divisor.
First equation.
Divisor.
G of x. G of x.
Why is G?
What is the G?
Sir, why G will take, sir?
Huh?
Sir, why you take an G, sir?
You may take M, you may take D also, but to make everybody to follow the same, we are taking the particular symbol. Dividend is P of x, divisor is G of x. This is the quotient. Quotient can be represented by symbol called
Q
Q
Q
of x,
of X.
of X.
and this is one is the remainder.
R.
Remainder
R. R of X.
good, very good. It is R of x. If so, anybody want to tell the symbolic statement which is used for verifying our division? Anybody? Just tell your name, I'll give you the chance.
Yashwant.
P of X is
Yashwant,
equal
yes,
to
sir.
Sir,
Yashwant will
Sir,
tell.
P of x is equal to G of x into Q of x plus R of x.
Very good, very good. We know that dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Dividend, this is P of x is equal to divisor. It is G of x
G of X,
into quotient
Q of X plus
plus remainder
R of X.
R of x. Please do remember this statement. Just you have to observe only. P of x is equal to G of x into Q of x plus R of x. Dear students, I'll give you one more statement with respect to division of polynomials. That is, in general, you all know that to divide or for division process, there must be minimum 2 polynomials, right? One has been taken as P of x and another one is taken as G of x.
G of X.
P of x and G of x are 2 polynomials of degree greater than or equal to 1. Kaula Sheikh. Then, can we write G of x is not equal to 0?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Do you know the reason for this? Do you know the reason why we write G of x is not equal to 0?
Sir, because divisor
Because it
cannot
is-
be 0.
Very good, very good. Divisor cannot be 0.
It will be undefined.
Now 0 on the corner, it will be undefined term. So that is why divisor should not be equal to 0. Remember this. P of x and G of x are 2 polynomials and G of x is not equal to 0. Then after dividing, we will get 2 new polynomials. Those 2 new polynomials are one is
Q of X and R of X.
Q of x and R of x. And all these polynomials will satisfy the condition that P of x is equal to G of x into Q of x plus
Plus R of X.
Followed. Where another one is R of x. It may be equal to 0. 0 nu barabodu namage. Or degree of R of x is always less than the degree of G of x.
G of X.
Degree of G of x. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕನೂ ನಾವು ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು.
Sir, Q of X can be 0, sir.
Degree of remainder should be less than the degree of the divisor. then only we can say that the division method has been complete.
Sir, quotient can be 0, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
yes.
Quotient can be
Q
0,
of X.
sir. Q of X can be
Quotient.
0.
Son, if quotient becomes 0, what will happen? You won't get the remainder.
Not
If it is 0, even the polynomial will also be 0. Is it
Sir,
not?
Q of X can be a decimal, sir.
It cannot be 0.
Sir, Q of X can be a decimal, sir.
Yes, we will take all those only in case of numbers. Here it is polynomials. We will just go for considering the terms only.
Yes, sir. In polynomials, there are no decimals.
Yes, yes.
In polynomials, there are no decimals.
No, no, we won't go for considering the decimals. Dear students, now below that, below the first example, you write down this. Just put implies regarding polynomials. Polynomials. Division of polynomials. I'm going to give you an important point. Right. Here it is dividend. Dividend, as I said, it is denoted by the symbol P of X. Then divisor, it is G of X.
G of X.
Quotient,
You have to copy
Q
that.
of X.
Q of X.
And remainder R of X.
R of X.
Write that answer.
It is to barcode. Whatever I have been telling, you have to copy only that much. Then after that, below this, you write the statement. Right. If P of X and G of X are any two polynomials of degree greater than or equal to 1, then two unique polynomials are obtained. The two polynomials exist. We have taken those as Q of X and R of X. And these will satisfy, right? Satisfying the statement. What is that statement? It is P of X is equal to
G of X
G of X.
into Q of X
Q of X
plus R of X.
R of X, comma, where G of X is not equal to 0, one thing. Second thing, R of X may be equal to 0 or degree of R of X is less than the degree of G of X.
Sir, what is this last line?
G of X not equal to 0. Then R of X may be equal to 0 or degree of R of X is less than degree of G of X. This is the statement related to division of polynomial. ನಿಮಗೆ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಥವಾ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ state division of polynomials. If we give like that, we have to write this statement. You have to learn this statement also. Alright. Now we are moving to worked examples. Afrin Malika. Afrin, can you hear me? Afrin, can you hear me? That fellow is not at all responding. Okay. Yes. Now we are moving to worked examples. Right. Side heading. Worked examples. Worked examples. In that, first, divide. Divide. And take the same, the previous one. X plus 3x square minus 1 x square. So x plus 3x square minus 1 by 1 plus x. Full stop. Hence, find quotient and remainder. Quotient and remainder. Here I have less space for division, so that I am going to write that here. Start writing with me. You're leaving the space for quotient. Draw a line. Now you write the divisor. Please do remember, when you are dividing, dividend and divisor both should be in standard form. If any term is missing, in place of that you can write 0. Here, divisor is x plus 1. Dividend, it is 3x square plus x
minus 1.
3x square, x minus 1. It is in standard form. If you want, you may go for using working column to know the terms in quotient. This working column is not compulsory. First problem you matram you baribodu. Next problem onwards you can write it directly. Yes. First term is 3x square and first term of the divisor is x. Both x get cancelled. You will get 3x. Write that 3x in the quotient form. Now multiply 3x with both the terms. 3x into x is 3x square. 3x into 1 is 3x. Leave the space for changing the sign. He will adjust madadukobedi. Got it, Tanesh? Right. Here minus and this is minus. Then 3x square minus 3x square get cancelled. Next, 1x minus 3x is minus 2x. This is over. Now you may carry down minus 1. Minus 1. Okay. After this, observe the degree of the remainder. Here 1, here divisor 1. So it should be continuous. Write the first term. Minus 2x by the first term of the divisor. X. X and x get cancels. This is minus 2. Write that minus 2 here. Multiply
minus 2 into x.
Minus 2 into x is minus 2x. Minus 2 into 1 is minus 2. Leave space for changing the sign. The compulsory space biಡಬೇಕು. Again, I have been reminding you not to go for adjusting this. Right, change the sign. This is plus. Here is minus. Again, change as plus. Now, minus 2x plus 2x get cancelled. Next, minus 1 plus 2 is 1. Now you tell. What is the degree of the remainder?
Zero.
Zero.
No.
0.
What is the degree of the divisor?
One.
One.
Remainder is less than divisor. Therefore, stop dividing. Write the conclusion. Therefore,
It is compulsory to change the sign.
therefore, quotient is, it is 3x minus 2.
It is compulsory to change.
And yes, somebody is asking compulsory what?
Sign change, sir.
Right. Remainder is 1. Remainder is 1. Over. Let me go for taking another one. And this is also simple. Right. Second one. Second one, it was given in the examination for 2 marks. Put double star mark. Right. The question is, divide 3x raised to the power 4 minus 3x minus 4x cube minus 1 by, right? It is x minus 1. Full stop. Hence, find quotient and remainder. Hence, find quotient and remainder. Have you written? Okay, only Rachit will come on the line. Rachit, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Rachit, first tell, is it in standard form? Dividend?
No, sir.
No.
Yes.
Is there any term missing?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Could you identify which is that?
Sir, variable power 2 is missing, sir.
Very good. Excellent. Here, x square term is missing.
Yes,
First
sir.
point is, it is not in standard form. We have to write it in standard form. Second point is, a term is missing. X square term is missing. So in place of that, we have to
0.
write 0. If the term is missing, in place of that, you have to write 0 while dividing. So then it will be easier. Now you can write with me. Right. The divisor is x minus 1. It is already in standard form. Write it directly. Sanjana SL. Sanjana. Are you not able to sit quite? SL. Okay, observe. And write with me. Write with me. Divisor is x minus 1. Dividend, it should be written in standard form and should write 0 in place of missing term. All right. Here it has been given that 3x raised to the power 4, that is the highest one. This is the term having the highest power. Followed by it is minus 4x cube. Followed by this cube of square element. There is no square term. So that
Yes, 0.
Plus 0.
0 plus 0 or plus 0 into x square. 0 into x square is 0 only. No difference at all. Next, x square is over x term. There is minus 3x. And constant minus 1. This must be followed strictly. Is it necessary to use working column?
No, sir.
No, sir.
What should be multiplied with x to get 3x raised to the power 4?
3x.
3x square.
X cube, not x square. Here it is x only. Here 3x raised to the power 4. ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗದೇ ಇದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ you can use working column. Please observe that. ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ನಿಮಗೆ. I am going to tell you in a very simple understanding way. First term of the dividend is 3x raised to the power 4 by first term of the divisor, it is x. Give a cancel. Look here. Okay. Right. Very good. Okay. You can cancel it directly. You take this to the numerator. It becomes -1. 4 minus 1 is 3. Another method. X raised to the power 4 is there. X into x into x into x. Why? Here it is x. X and x get cancelled. You'll get 3x cube. Whichever the method you feel comfortable, you can follow that one. Here I'm writing 3x cube. Among k. Understood? Okay. Now go for multiply. 3x cube into x. It is 3x raised to the power 4. Both are equalized. Then 3x cube into -1. It is
3x cube.
3x cube. Now change the sign without fail. Here is plus. Let me write here minus. Here is minus. Should write plus. Sign and change ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ we are subtracting the polynomial.
Sir, can you explain again?
Which one? Which step?
So 3x 4.
3x cube into x is 3x raised to the power 4. Got it? Have you got?
Yes, sir.
Then 3x cube into -1 is minus 3x. Now sign are changed.
It cancelled.
Cancel.
Minus x cube.
Minus 4x cube. Do you take minus 3x cube or plus 3x?
Plus 3x
Minus
cube.
x cube.
Minus x cube.
Here.
Minus x cube.
Minus 4x cube plus 3x cube is
Minus x cube.
Now carry down 0 into x. That's a full bakery. No problem at all.
Sir, in quotient minus x square.
Minus 3x minus 1. Full thought. No problem at all.
Minus x square, sir.
Next.
In quotient minus x square, sir.
Very good. Very good. I think Gaurav. Here. To get minus x cube, we have to multiply minus x square with x. If you do not know, use working part. Minus x cube by first term x. X cube can be written as x into x into x. Here get cancelled. It is minus x square. Now multiply. Minus x square into x. It is minus x cube. Next, minus x square into -1. Here minus into minus plus x square into 1, x square. Change the sign. This is plus and is minus. Get cancelled. First term get cancelled. Now observe here. What is 0x square minus 1x square?
0.
Minus x square.
Minus x square.
Then carry down remaining terms. The remaining terms are minus 3x minus 1.
Quotient is minus x.
Very good. Very good. Yes. You can follow like that only. You direct again baribolu. Anyhow, I use working column. Minus x square by first term. It is x.
Minus x.
Here x square is x into x. X cancel agutte. You will get
Minus
x.
x.
Afrin Sheikh have done. Good guy. minus x into x is minus x square minus x into 1 minus 1. It is plus 1x. Now change the sign. This is plus, this is minus. First term get cancelled. Now what is minus 3x? Minus 1x.
Minus 4x.
Very good. Minus 4x. Carry down 1. Minus 1. Now
Minus
what
4 in
should we
quotient. Minus 4.
Very good.
Minus
Very
4.
good. Minus direct over kode or else use working.
-4 in the
Minus 4x. First term there x first term. You will get minus 4 only. I am writing minus 4 here. Now minus 4 into x is minus 4x. It's minus 4 into minus 1. It is plus 4. 4 ones are 4. Again change the
Remainder
sign.
is 5.
This is plus, this is minus. First term
Remainder
get
is
cancelled. Minus 1, minus 4. This is
minus
minus.
5.
Have you got same?
Yes, sir.
It's
Again, is telling yes. Very good.
Yes, sir.
After check.
Yes, sir.
After check.
Yes,
We should go for
Okay.
verification, sir.
Verification better. I'll go for taking separate problem for that. First, just I'm making you to practice how to divide a polynomial by another polynomial. Sanjana, have you copied? Sanjana SL.
x square minus x square. How is it minus x square?
Tanish, copied. Should go to the bed early in the night. Tanish. Prithviraj, have you returned? Very good boy. Afrin Malika,
Sir,
have you returned? Okay.
sir,
Now write the conclusion. Therefore, quotient. Here I don't have space, so I'm writing here. But you should write the conclusion below this step. Quotient. Quotient is, it is 3x cubed minus x square minus x minus 4. Next, remainder. Remainder is
Minus 5.
Minus 5.
now you may go for highlighting this with the box.
-5 degrees. No.
Finished up? Okay. Now I'm going to give you one more. Even this was also given in the examination for 2 marks. Again, put double star mark and write. Actually, this is simple one only. Right. Third one. Third one. Put double star mark. Divide. Divide. 1 plus x cubed by x plus 1. X plus 1. Full stop. Hence, come on. Right. Find the quotient. The quotient and the remainder. The remainder. Let us start dividing. Tanish. Tanish. Can you hear me? Tanish.
Sir. Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes, sir.
which is the dividend in the statement? Which is the dividend?
1 plus x cube.
Very good. 1 plus x cube is the dividend. Okay, just mute the audio. Dhruti, is that in standard form?
No, sir.
No. Then how can it be written?
X square plus 1.
X cube plus 1. And another question to you only. Whether any terms are missing here?
Yes, sir. X square is missing.
Wait, she is telling.
X square and X.
Dhruti, I'm asking you whether any terms are missing. Yes, or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. If so, what are those terms are missing?
X square. No. Wait.
X square and
X.
X. No, X cube is there. There is no X square term. So I can write 0 into X square. There is no X term. I can write
0 into x.
into X. Then
Plus
constant. 1. Got it? Yeah. Go on dividing it. Write it quickly.
What? First question.
Write it quickly. The divisor is x plus 1, which is already in standard form. And the dividend is 1 plus x cube can be written as x cube plus 0 into x square plus 0 into x, then plus 1. Now, this time,
X square in quotient. X square, sir.
What should be multiplied?
X square.
X square into x. X cube, x square into 1. 1x. Change the sign. Go on writing with me quickly. It is minus. This is minus. Here, first
minus x plus 1 is the quotient.
Ekta.
Sir.
Now you tell. What is 0 into x square minus 1x square?
X square.
Plus x square or minus x square?
Minus x square.
Minus X square.
Now we will consider this is 0 minus 1 into x square. Now carry down remaining. It is 0 into x plus 1. Now could you tell what should be multiplied? What should be written?
X.
What should be
X.
Minus X.
Minus x.
X. Minus x into x. Minus x square. Minus x into 1. Minus x.
Sir, reminder 1.
Next. Cancel first term.
Reminder 1, sir.
Remainder. Yes. Here, 0 into x plus 1x. It will be 1x. Now carry down 1. Sarthak, Karim, Hardy.
Plus 1.
What should we multiply now?
1.
Plus 1.
1, not x. First term is x. First term of the divisor is x. Cancel 1 bar. That is 1. Now, 1 into x is
X.
1x. 1 into 1 is 1.
Plus 1.
Change the sign. Minus.
0.
In this case, both get cancelled. Remainder is 0.
0.
0.
0.
0, sir.
Yes. Now you write the conclusion. Therefore, the quotient is. Therefore, the quotient is x square minus x plus 1. And the remainder is. It is 0. Will you start?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. If so, I'll give you one more. Right. Divide. One. P of X. Please put triple star an example ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Divide P of X is equal to minus X square plus 2x cube minus X square plus 2x cube minus 2x minus 7 by G of X is equal
Sir,
to
not in standard form, but all are there, sir.
minus 2 plus X. Yes, somebody is telling something. I have written after writing this
Sir,
much
2x square is missing, sir.
minus X square plus 2x cube minus 2x minus 7. Okay, this is dividend.
Is correct,
Divide
sir.
by it,
Correct,
minus 2 plus
Sir, all
X.
are there, sir.
Pardon me?
No numbers are missing.
Please tell properly. Okay.
Sir, no term is missing, sir.
Wait. What I'm asking, still question has not yet been completed. Right. Hence, verify the statement. Let's verify the statement. This is P of X is equal to G of X into Q of X plus R of X. This statement should be verified. This statement can you verify ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ you must find out
Q of X
quotient
and
Q of
R
X
of X.
and remainder
Q of X.
R of X.
R of X.
Okay, you can try that yourself. Again, tomorrow we are going to solve this one.
Terms are missing.
Okay, just listen. ನಿಮಗೆ ಇದೊಂದು ಹಿಂಟ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. Here the remainder ನಿಮಗೆ 1. After dividing, you will get the remainder as 1. Then afterwards, we can go for verifying that. You just divide and come for tomorrow. Okay.
Yes, sir.
No terms are missing.
Yes, sir.
Now you don't go for solving.
Yes, sir.
Just listen to me. Today's concept repeatedly I have been telling. This concept is very important in the examination point of view. 100%, not 100, 200%. One problem will be given in the examination. Dividing a polynomial by another polynomial. Doubt next. And today in worksheet also, today I'm going to give you some important polynomials which are to be divided by other polynomials. But I have been taking these polynomials only from your previous year board question papers. Textbook in then just I'll give you only the from board paper. So you have to practice them. And next, on coming Sunday, you have weekly test. And the chapter is polynomials only. Followed, Gaurav. And one more last information. Listen, last information is in that first point. Every day our office will be opened in the afternoon from 12 o'clock to 2 o'clock. If your parent want to come and visit me, they should come in that time only. Okay, this is first thing. Second thing, if you want to get clarification about your doubts, you can ask me in the evening from 6:30 to 8 o'clock. 6:30 to 8 o'clock, it is time for getting clarification about your doubts. I'll be sitting only for your sake from 6:30 to 8 o'clock. If your parents are willing to speak over phone, they can call me after 8 o'clock only. Please tell them not to call in between. They should call me after 8 o'clock. From 8 to 9, your parents can speak with me. From 6:30 to 8 o'clock, you can get clarification about your doubts. And 12 to 2 o'clock, it is office time. And another thing, that is submitting your worksheet. It is 8 that is, regularly you are submitting the worksheet within 8 o'clock only. You can continue that. Yes. Once again, I am reminding you, please do practice today's problems what we have done. So with this, let us stop the class. Thank you very much.
Bye, sir.
Wonderful.
Thank you, sir.
sir.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.